Welcome back and thank you for joining again. In this recording, we will be covering the following functions: how to add a geofence, how to edit a geofence, how to set up geofence alerts, and how to generate a geofence report. As highlighted in one of our previous recordings, geofences are physical locations associated with a specific vehicle or fleet. A geofence can be categorized as a driver's home, office, or delivery address, warehouse the vehicle is based at, or any other location that is relevant to the tracking of the vehicle. Therefore, geofences are typically used to monitor vehicle activity in and out of various points of interest relevant to the tracking of the vehicle. To add a geofence, first click on the Geofence window button. Secondly, you will need to find the area on the map where the geofence will be created. Click on the Add Geofence button and the Add Geofence window will expand. Manually navigate on the map screen to find the specific area. Alternatively, you can search for the area using the search tool in the Add Geofence window. You can type out the street or address name in the search tool, and any suggestions matching the search criteria used will appear below. If found, you can click on the address name you'd like to view and then zoom in further on the map screen to get a better view of the area as shown. Choose your preferred area shape from the buttons in the top right hand corner, then draw your shape on the map. To save the shape you've drawn, click on the Finish button in the top right hand corner. Properties of the geofence, such as the name of the geofence, category, geofence group, type or description, as well as the color you want highlighted over the area, can be completed and selected as shown. To save your geofence, click on the Save button below. When uploading geofences or addresses, click on the Add Geofence button, then choose the XL or XLS upload option. You'll be able to download the sample file for the template that needs to be used when uploading geofences to the system. Please note that geofence property details must be added as defined in the template. Should you fill in details incorrectly, the system will highlight the incorrect details and you'll need to correct the details accordingly before the file can be uploaded successfully. Details such as the type, name, category, and geofence access columns will have drop-downs for selection, and you can then manually add details in the other fields. Once uploaded, remember to edit the name of the geofence, as it will be saved as the details you filled in the name column or field from the template that you uploaded. To edit the geofence, check the box next to the geofence you'd like to edit, then click on the Edit button. Select the Edit Layers button and then you can apply your changes to the shape on the map as shown. Once done, click on the Save button in the top right hand corner and then again in the bottom left hand corner of your screen. To set up entry or exit geofence alerts, click on the Settings tab, then highlight General and select Alert. Click on the plus icon in the bottom left hand corner and then add details and complete the fields marked with a red asterisk. To save, click on the floppy disk icon below. To access the geofence report, highlight the Reports tab, then highlight Geofence-address and click on Geofence. Users can edit filters and save for future reference, edit parameters like date selection and or time range for more customization. You can choose the vehicle or vehicles you'd like to view in the report, and to generate, click on the Apply button below. For more details on how to generate reports, don't miss our upcoming video in Lesson 5. For now, here's a quick summary of what we have covered in this recording. To add a geofence, click on the Add Geofence button and manually navigate the map or search for the area you'd like to create a geofence over. Once the area is found, select the shape you'd like to use on the map and click on the Finish button to save the shape you've drawn. Complete the area details on the left-hand side and select Save in the bottom left-hand corner. You can also upload geofences using the sample file that can be downloaded under the XL or XLS tab. To edit geofences, check the box on the geofence you'd like to edit, then click on the Edit icon. Once opened, click on the Edit Layers button and apply your changes. Click Save in the top right-hand corner and then click on Save again in the bottom left-hand corner. Enabling Geofence alerts can be done from the Settings, General and Alert tab, and Geofence reports can be accessed from the Reports, Geofence-Address tab, and then under Geofence. Coming up next is video 6 of Lesson 5, How to Generate System Reports.